Hey, welcome back everybody. This is George at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I want you to come along with me on a virtual test drive of a 1966 Oldsmobile 442. This one, about 5 years ago, was body off frame, rotisserie restoration. The same guy's owned it for about 20 years and it has around 1,400 miles since the restoration. It's really a beautiful car, and the attention to detail is really what makes me fall in love with it. Oh, the seats. He just had a re-cushion, so everything's really tight and nice. The dash, no cracks, tears, anything. The upholstery is just, it's like brand new because it almost is. Let's start it up. If you notice, we actually have a factory tachometer. We got the speedometer and then your clock that it might be working. We'll see at the end of it how it is. And this one does have upgraded AC. Put that on, let's see if it blows cold. Alright, manual antenna in the back, goes up and down. There. The radio, it works. And he actually sent out the dash to have it professionally restored, so everything looks great. The clutch and the linkage was replaced, so make sure everything works great. The e-brake works. Oh, that's blowing out cold. Nice. And it has the power windows. Alright, so let's buckle up, take it for a spin. Shifts with ease. Let's do the old wiper test. Wipers are great. Indicator works. I can shift it with one finger. Nice ride. Right and left indicator both work. Luckily it's a nice day out today, so I was able to come out, do a test drive. Sounds great. Even has the Oldsmobile reproduction floor mats there. So the guy really paid close detail and attention while doing this. this road's really bumpy, and it's just like gliding on air. The only thing I noticed is that we're gonna have to just straighten out the steering wheel. Besides that, it actually drives straight. Brakes are really great. Let's see how it goes. Stop straight. Shifting, I love it. And the shifter actually has the 442 on it as well. It's all around great, beautiful car. And I appreciate you coming along this virtual test drive with me. As always, go ahead, click subscribe, turn on those notifications, and then go on over to volocars.com where Jay has the whole write-up. He goes way more in detail than I did about it. And yeah, has all the pricing and everything there. So thanks again.